Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Lone Oak, Texas, where this is our bunker number 3. You can see that we've already started removing the panels on the inside, which took us all day and part of yesterday. And tomorrow we'll begin removing the external forms and braces. And the next portion that we will be doing is you'll see those pins in the wall. Those pins in the wall, which we call metal ties, those pins have to be removed. Those pins' sole purpose is to hold on these forms. They're nailed through and they grip the forms to make sure they stay in place. But afterwards, they have to be ground down, cut out, or broken, and then they have to be sealed. And then we cover them with waterproofing. We don't leave them because those pins run all the way through the entire wall. And in some people's basement, it's a #1 leak point. So in order to do something right, you have to make sure it's done properly. So no shortcuts. Otherwise, you will be paying for it long term. And this is our underground tunnel. And those forms, we already started removing those. And those areas where it looks weird into the walls, those are wooden pieces that we put inside of our walls. We put an extra pipe in so we can pre-plumb our pipe penetrations. Those areas are where our steel I-beams are going to go. And that's why they're there. Okay, let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.